Do you need to hold your cable at weird angles to get your phone to charge? It's an easy fix, and it might not be what you think. I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with Pocket-Lint. Yes, Pocket-Lint. We have seen hundreds of phones come into our shops with broken charging ports. A few of our customers even told us that they came to us after Apple told them they needed to buy a new phone. Throughout your phone's life, lint and dust build up at the bottom of your charging port. Every time you plug your phone in to charge, the lightning cable compacts the lint in. It is compacted in such a way that even canned air or duster can't dislodge the debris. To remove the debris, we need a narrow and rigid tool. Toothpicks, unfortunately, will not work. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, bring by one of our shops. We do charge port cleanings for free. If for whatever reason your charging port is actually damaged, your phone may need a new charging port flex cable, which we also offer as a repair. Visit us at jcdrepair.com for more information on different charging port repairs for the various iPhone models. For more videos on mobile phone repairs, tips, and tricks, subscribe. Thanks for watching.